In the heart of Eldoria, where the mountains kissed the sky, stood an ancient blacksmith's forge. Roderick, the blacksmith, was no ordinary craftsman. Each weapon he forged held a touch of the mystical. One evening, a stranger arrived, cloaked in shadows, seeking a blade of unparalleled power. Roderick agreed, sensing destiny's whisper. For 7 nights, he toiled, infusing the blade with rare gems and secret incantations. On the final night, the forge blazed brighter than ever, revealing a sword that shimmered with ethereal light. The stranger, now revealed as a guardian, took the sword. "This will save us all," he murmured, vanishing into the night.